Filming are here at Mount St. Helens on a scientific expedition to study the recent activity around the site. For the past month, the white plume of steam has been hiding up. Give us one moment, please. That is an awe-inspiring sight. Our position here is approximately 30 miles away. It is 8 o'clock in the morning, May 18th, 1980, as me and Drew Todd are watching the bulge on the northern face of the mountain increase in size. We have felt several tremors, haven't we?
Yes.
Okay. We're fairly certain that the volcano will erupt in the next few days. We can't tell for sure. There have been several tremors. When this does erupt, gases, ash, and pumice moving at more than 200 miles per hour will jet from the crater and rush presumably in all directions. We're awfully worried about that bulge on the north face. The pyroclastic flow, as it is called, can be as hot as 400 degrees, along with the searing gases that will cure the living tissues of anything around. Drew Todd is currently taking measurements that have measured the bulge to increase more than 300 feet in the past week. We've also noted that much of the snow and ice is starting to melt around the peak. As you can see, it's steaming right this moment. Wait a minute. Something's happening. We're feeling a rather large jolt right now. We're feeling a large jolt. Our portable seismograph indicates that a magnitude 5 earthquake has just struck our position. Still, looks like more activity from around the cone. Much of our equipment's been knocked down. We'll report back in just a minute. We see some activity now. The mountain's just erupted. Start the Jeep. We have to get out of here. Run, Drew. The power far behind us. Man, we gotta get out of here. Drew, where are you? Did you get the Jeep started?
No.
The noise is tremendous. Oh God, I'm burning. We're hovering above head in our helicopter, recording the mudslides following the eruption. All the snow and ice from the summit of the mountain has now melted, and it rushes to the waiting rivers below. The flooding is probably the worst part of the eruption because it will affect places downstream. This is an incredible sight. Me and Drew Todd have determined that the eruption the past couple of days was caused by the Juan de Fuca plate being subducted underneath the North American plate. This creates a magma chamber underneath the Cascade mountain range, these hot spots, and from the force of convection, these hot spots, the pressure from the magma being melted and forced into these chambers caused what we saw over this past week at Mount St. Helens in the Cascade Range. Thank you.